Hello everyone, I hope you're well. So this is a tool review video. This is a got all sorts of videos on my mind right now. This is a tool review video on my knee pads. I thought I'd do them. So there's a site, knee pads, and yes, I keep them together like that because it just saves a lot of time. So let me get them all done for you. So you've got I cut them off with a knife. You got the white one. I'll put them in for you. So I'll put them on. A bit stiff, I haven't used it in a while. Yeah, there's one on. Right. I'll put another one on for you. Yeah. They're on. They're really comfy as well. Off now. Get comfy. So yeah, they're really comfy. The gel ones as well. So you've got the padding on the back. And you've also got what they pack up really easily as well. I'll show you how to do that. Stretch it over like that. Okay, now these two bits are locked in. And now we do the same thing here. So this one goes on this one. Hopefully that bit's now shut. And now we do it like this. Like this. There we go. And now they're all already packed up. For a nice job. So hope you enjoyed this one. Probably one more video coming out today, I imagine. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. See you in a bit.